Hello, my name is Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Stairlift. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly install and charge the battery for your Genesis Flex Stairlift, so it's always ready to go when you need it. The Genesis Flex is the ultimate two-in-one solution, combining the stair climbing power of a battery-powered portable stairlift with the everyday convenience of a lightweight transport chair. With removable tracks and a frame that's easy to lift, store, and carry, the Genesis Flex offers the best of both worlds: dependable stair access, smooth mobility, all in one portable design. Now let's take a look at how to install your battery. To install the battery, locate the battery compartment at the lower back of the unit between the tracks, which is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and lock the wheels in place to keep it stable during the process. Now I'm gonna line the battery with the battery base connection and then slide the battery in until I hear it click. That sound confirms that it's securely locked into place like this. And that's our click. Now to remove the battery, you're gonna hold the white release lever and slide the battery straight out like this. And if you want, you can charge the battery while it's installed in the stairlift by connecting the charger to the battery port, or if needed, remove the battery and charge it separately using the same port. We recommend charging the battery after each use and avoiding full discharge to help extend battery life. And that's it. Installing and charging your Genesis Flex battery is simple and quick. Now, if you do have any questions, please feel free to visit mobilestairlift.com or give us a call anytime. We're always here to help you move safely and confidently every day. As always, thanks for watching.